getting into that, let us give you a basic understanding about virus. What are viruses? A virus is made up of a core genetic material, either DNA or RNA, which is surrounded by a protective coating made up of proteins called capsule. In some cases, there is another additional coating which is made up of lipids and proteins called an envelope.
Hope you all get an idea about virus, as they may be helpful later in this video. Let us get back to our topic, sanitizers and the action of sanitizer on virus. Well, sanitizers are alcohol-based solutions having a concentration of about 60 to 95% of alcohol. The alcohols used may be isopropanol, N-propanol, ethanol, etc. As long as they have a concentration above 60%, they may effectively kill the germs.
Now let's see how a sanitizer works. When we use a sanitizer, the alcohol content inside the sanitizer dissolves the outer coating of the virus.
A virus is surrounded by a protective covering or coating made up of proteins and lipids, as we have shown in the beginning of this video. So what a sanitizer does is that it breaks off this protective covering, resulting in the breaking of that virus. The use of soap too does a similar action. In the case of soap, there are two types of molecules. One is hydrophobic molecules, which is the water hating part, and the other is hydrophilic molecule, which is the water loving part. The hydrophobic part gets attached to the oily substances. In this case, the protective covering of the virus, and the other part, that is the water loving part, get attached to the water and it forms a mixture and it is washed away. Another important thing is that you should wash your hands for about 20 seconds in order to entirely wipe out the viruses. There could be a doubt on how much sanitizer you should use. To use hand sanitizers effectively, place a small amount, the size of your thumbnail, on the palm of your hand and rub it over your entire hand, including your nail beds. If the gel gets evaporated in less than 50 seconds, there are few things you should keep in mind while using sanitizers. Alcohol does not cut through grime. All kinds of dirt, blood, soil must be wiped or washed away first. In such cases, hand washing with soap and water is advised. It is not a cleaning agent, therefore not a replacement for soap and water. It is recommended to use soap and water along with sanitizer. The use of sanitizer is a habit that can help keep us all exposed to fewer germs and therefore may decrease our chance of illness. Whether you are on a playground, using someone else's computer, or visiting a friend in the hospital, take the time to rub some on your hands. It is an easy step towards healthy life. Stay safe and be safe.